Well, for those of you that watched my other video about putting an hour meter on my generator, I need to show you something because I have another generator and the hour meter quit. Evidently those batteries only last about 5 or so years, but look what I found when I went to get a new one. I found one that is vibration activated. So that's what I'm going to put on my new one. Here's the old one. You can kind of see there's a little bit of a display on here. It looks like there's 7 minutes, but I'm going to leave this one here. I'm not going to take this apart again to get to the back of it, but I am going to put the new one right here. So I clean that surface and I'm going to stick it on. I'm going to do more than just stick it on. It did come with a couple little screws. So I'm going to mark the screws and then drill a couple holes. But as you notice, there's a wire here. You need to cut this before you install. So I'm going to cut it, mark the holes, and go from there. I ran it for a good 10 minutes, and after 6 minutes it should have registered 0.1, but nothing. Must have been too good to be true. Thanks for watching, but the vibration detection must have been too good to be true. Either that or I just mounted it on a part of the generator that did not get enough vibration to activate it. I've read mixed reviews on these things working or not working. Mine doesn't work. Good luck. Let me know if you have any luck with yours. Later.